Hello guys, so as you can see, this is my fog light and I'm gonna replace this one today. So I turn off the engine and you're gonna have to disconnect this one black negative cable, but in my case I'm not disconnecting. Okay, so it's right in there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move this tire to the left for easy access. Now that I moved the tire, I have a lot of space. This part is pretty much broken. There was like a screw or something which is missing right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reach for this bulb. This is Acura MDX. There are all the bulbs. Okay, I'm gonna remove the very right one, which is right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and twist, and it came out. Okay, alright, so now I'm gonna disconnect this, push it and pull it outward. Okay, I successfully disconnected this valve, and as you can see, both of these has 3 points and this one has also 3 points, pretty similar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect with this. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. Yes, I did turn the car on, but it did not work. Okay, there is another thing. This two light has difference. So as you can see, this has a small gap and this has a huge gap, so this is not gonna fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a different way. So guys, unfortunately I do not have the bulb, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back. Okay, now I'm gonna connect this line so we can put it back. But this is pretty much the way you put any bulb, any fog light on the Acura MDX. Okay guys, so we are gonna put it back. As you can see, this is the DRL and that is that hole you can see is for the fog light. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. Okay, so as you can see, it's right in there, and this is how you put the fog light easily.